today's episode, I finally bring back my 5-Minute Friday series. For those of you that don't know, some time ago I started 5-Minute Friday on my channel but ended up with not enough time for them as life goes. However, today I bring it back, so if you would like to see more of these, then please drop a like and a comment so I know I should continue with this series where I simply bring you along on some of my smaller adventures. Yesterday we had the first snow up in the Swiss Alps. Winter is around the corner now, plants are slowly dying off and the cold has arrived. Today I wanted to take my first pictures of my GT3 with some nice snowy peaks in the background. Although the cold makes filming much more challenging, I personally love the snowy season. Anyway, first photo stop up the pass done, let's continue to the top to try and find some more snow. But for now, I will let my GT3 do the rest of the talking. Arriving at the top, it was absolutely freezing, no thanks to the wind, and I was greeted with more snow. I made my first snowball and of course continued on my photo mission before my hands froze. Simply a really nice solo adventure, welcoming back winter and a good way to clear our heads by heading out for a drive. Thanks for joining me on this drive. I will see you all again very soon.
Thank you.